I've got these two variables here, each of them has a value, and let me write a conditional that will do something different depending on whether x is greater, equal, or less than y. So if x is greater than y, print x is greater than y. If x is equal to y, print s is equal to y. And what remains? What is the conditional? If x is not greater and it's not equal, well, else. So if you had more conditionals to check, you can continue with elif that and elif this and that and so on. But if you are done, you can use else. Print, so it has to be x is less than y. And so we get x is greater than y.